COREtec's patent-pending Soft Step product utilizes the lock-in-place installation method with clip. Slightly faster than the Uniclick method, lock-in-place with clip removes the task of setting a bridge and tapping end joints together. Start installing Soft Step as you would any other COREtec product. Use installation spacers around the perimeter of the product to ensure the correct expansion space is maintained. In the first row, place the second plank tight against the short end of the first plank. Fold the plank down into the locked position in a single movement. When starting a new row, the first plank must be at least 8 inches long, and the end joints must stagger a minimum of 8 inches. Place the first plank of the new row at an angle against the plank in the previous row. Press the long edge forward against the previous row and fold down at the same time. Connect the next plank by aligning the inseam directly above the inseam of the preceding plank. Rotate the plank down into the locked position, engaging end joints from the inside corner to the outside corner. Now let's look at some additional tips. For DIY installers, you may opt to install 2 to 3 rows of planks about a foot off of the back wall. Then slide into place, remembering to place spacers around the perimeter of the planks. If a clip becomes loose during installation, simply slide the clip back into place. Ensure loose clips are inserted facing the same direction. Additionally, if a plank needs to be removed during installation, the installer will need to disengage the entire row and slide the end joints apart laterally. Finally, measure and cut the last row to fit. Remember to allow for a minimum of a 1/4 inch expansion space from the wall. Thank you for watching this short installation video about our Soft Step lock-in-place with clip technology.